Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Defogger Repair Kit is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial tools for maintaining your vehicle's functionality, especially during those foggy or frosty mornings. A malfunctioning rear window defogger can significantly impair your visibility, making driving hazardous. In this video, we'll dive into a top-rated repair kit, showing you how to restore your defogger to its original glory and ensure clear visibility on the road. Number 5. Permatex 09117 Rear Window Defogger Repair Kit. This kit provides everything you need for professional quality repairs. It's designed to fix your rear window defogger in just minutes. It uses state-of-the-art components. The instructions are easy to follow, with photographs to guide you through the process. This kit offers a low-cost, high-quality repair for damaged rear window defogger grids and tabs. It's a great alternative to replacing the entire window. This premium repair kit is suitable for both professionals and do-it-yourself enthusiasts. It's a versatile solution for anyone needing to fix their defogger. The kit is designed for ease of use, making the repair process straightforward. It's a simple way to restore the functionality of your defogger. What we like. This kit provides everything you need for a professional quality repair in minutes. It includes state-of-the-art components and easy-to-follow instructions with photographs. If you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional looking for a reliable solution, this is the perfect choice for a quick and effective fix. What people say. It came with both a repair kit for the printed lines on the windows and a glue kit for the tab that connects the printed elements to the electrical system. I used the kit and painted it in, and saw that it had filled in the discolored spot. After letting it dry, I tested it out and the two formerly non-working lines worked again. The kit comes with everything you need, and the instructions are well written and easy to follow, even in the tight confines of the back of a pickup cab. The repair blends right in and, so far, everything seems to work just fine. Number 4. 2000 Defroster Tab Bonding Repair Kit. Is your rear window defroster not working? This kit provides a reliable bonding solution. It securely bonds metal tabs back to your defroster, ensuring maximum electrical conductivity. This kit includes everything you need for the repair. It's designed for easy self-repair, saving you money on expensive glass replacement services. This kit is General Motors approved, guaranteeing OEM quality. It promotes strong, reliable bonds, preventing future defroster failures. The adhesive contains high silver content for the best conductivity. It cures quickly and establishes a secure electrical connection. Repair your defroster quickly and easily with this kit. The highly conductive adhesive bonds aggressively, reattaching tabs in one step, saving you time and money. What we like. This kit ensures reliable bonding with its high silver content, maximizing electrical conductivity. It's OEM approved, guaranteeing quality and reliability. If you're looking for a durable and efficient repair, especially for tab bonding, this kit is designed for you. What people say. Worked great to get tab back on window. Let it set as stated and hooked connector back to tab. Rear window defroster works great. I followed the directions and added the epoxy to the 5 points that I could see were previously bonded to the glass. I taped them in place and let them dry for 24 hours. It is finally cold enough to test the defroster and it has been working great. The directions are simple and clear. Take your time and prepare the tab and the bonding site per the instructions. Number 3. Frost Fighter Defroster Tab Bonding Repair Kit 2000. Is your rear window defroster failing? The tabs often detach, leading to complete failure. Fortunately, this kit offers a simple solution to fix it yourself. Avoid expensive glass replacement costs. This easy-to-use kit allows you to repair the defroster without professional help, saving you money. The adhesive contains over 80% silver for superior conductivity. This high silver content ensures a strong and effective bond for your defroster tabs. The two-part adhesive cures quickly and bonds aggressively. It creates both an electrical and structural connection in a single, easy step. This system is specifically designed for tab bonding. It's easy to use, bonds strongly to glass and defroster coatings, and provides the conductivity needed for effective repairs. What we like. With over 80% silver content, this adhesive ensures highly conductive tab bonding. The system is engineered for easy use, bonding aggressively to glass. If you need a fast and simple solution to reattach separated tabs, this kit is your best bet. What people say. The frost fighter stuff is kind of expensive, but that may be because it is 80% silver, and it seems to be formulated to be very conductive when cured. I followed the directions pretty closely, mixing the two parts for about 45 seconds before application. I applied the mixture to the contact area on the windshield and on the tab. Using a heat gun, I warmed the area to about 130 F, as measured with a non-contact thermometer, for 30 minutes. The epoxy didn't really start to hold until about 15 to 20 minutes in, so for this particular situation it was necessary to wedge something over the tab to keep it firmly in place. After the heat cure was complete, I tested the defroster and verified it heated up. Then, as per the instructions, I mixed up a bit more epoxy and applied it along the edges of the tab to such as to build up the conduction path between the defroster grid and the tab. Another 30 minutes with the heat gun finished up the operation. Followed directions and it is working just fine. I left the mixed portion in a small cup to monitor how it dried. This is some tough stuff, my little stirring stick would not come out of the epoxy once it was dry. Also, just use a small dab. If you use too much and press the rubber piece back on it could ooze and cause cross-contact on the plus and terminals. Number 2. 2300 URX rear window defroster tab for Ford, Chrysler, Chevrolet. Is your rear window defroster tab damaged or broken? This product is designed to replace those tabs. It's a simple solution to a common problem. This replacement tab is easy to install. You can quickly fix your defroster and restore its functionality. It's a straightforward process. This product is compatible with a wide range of vehicles. It works with Ford, Chrysler, and Chevrolet models, among many others. Check the compatibility to see if it fits your car. The tabs are designed to work with all defrosters and defroster connectors. This ensures a secure and reliable connection. It's a universal fit for your convenience. For installation, you'll need the Frost Fighter 2000 Defroster Tab Bonding Repair Kit. This kit is not included, but it's essential for a proper bond. Make sure you have it before starting. What we like. This product offers a direct replacement tab for your rear window defroster. It's compatible with a wide range of vehicles, including Ford, Chrysler, and Chevrolet. If you have a broken tab and need a simple replacement, this is the perfect solution to get your defroster working again. What people say. Was exactly what I was looking for. I replaced the tab on my 2000 Expedition rear window defrost. I sanded a new section of aluminum foil bare on the window and used some flux and lead solder to reattach. Worked great. After accidentally knocking off the tab, I determined that my old one was too damaged to reuse. It was great to find someone that actually sold new tabs. It was exactly like the old tab, before I damaged the old one. Together, with this tab and some epoxy I got from the same seller, I was able to easily repair my defroster. Number 1. GMC Yukon Suburban Tahoe Rear Window Defroster Tab. Is your rear window defroster broken? This replacement tab is designed to repair your defroster or defogger. It's a simple solution to a common problem. If your defroster tab is damaged or broken, this is the perfect replacement. It allows you to quickly and easily restore the functionality of your rear window defroster. This tab is compatible with GMC vehicles, including the Yukon, Suburban, and Tahoe. It's designed to fit a wide range of vehicles, ensuring a proper fit. The product is compatible with all defrosters and defroster connectors. This ensures that it will work with your existing system, providing a reliable repair. To attach the tab, use the Frost Fighter 2000 Defroster Tab Bonding Repair Kit. This kit is not included, but it is essential for a secure and lasting repair. It will help you get the job done right. What we like. This replacement tab is specifically designed for GMC vehicles, including Yukon, Suburban, and Tahoe. It's a quick and easy way to replace a broken defroster tab. If your GMC vehicle needs a defroster tab replacement, this is the ideal choice for a perfect fit and function. What people say. These worked fine to replace my broken tabs on a 2015 Yukon Denali. A simple repair. I used a pen-style soldering iron. Heated the old tabs and they popped off. Added some solder to the new tabs and heated them until they stuck. Easy peasy. Repaired my 2015 Chevrolet Tahoe with this new nearly identical OEM terminal. After removing the broken one using soldering iron, tinned the two tabs on the new part and held in place as soldering iron reheated the solder and secured the new part. Good as new. Worked perfectly, strong bond. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.